Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand of Ben Sherman. Ben Sherman is a designer brand from Britain. It's been around for almost 30 years or maybe even more. In terms of their clothing, they are very nice clothings. I had at least a few shirts and trousers from them, and they were very good. But from time to time they release fragrances. Not often. I think the whole portfolio of Ben Sherman, if you look at it, probably they have about 5 or 6 fragrances all together. So when I saw this beauty going for less than £20, yes, for less than 20 quid in the United Kingdom, and I had to check it out. This one is called Ben Sherman, and this is the modern British icon, or the original Ben Sherman, and this is Eau de Perfume 100 ml, and it came out in 2020. So for them this is basically the latest release. And let's without any further ado, let's go and unbox it. Before I go with that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it informative, if you find it entertaining, if you find it useful, or valuable in any way or shape, please, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you support me, you encourage me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. It's a cylinder, and it's got that British tartan or Scottish tartan really design in front, but it's not very apparent. It's just basically, it's like embossed, okay, but attention to detail is everywhere. And it's here, it says a modern British icon, the original Ben Sherman Eau de Perfume 100 ml, and it opens like this. And here we go, the bottle. The box itself is quite nice. It's not bad. It's not high end, but it's not cheap either. It's quite nice. And the bottle itself is very good looking bottle, very heavy. The juice itself is like a golden color. So Ben Sherman icon, and the cap is metal, but it's like aluminium, so it's got some weight to it, but it's not very heavy. And it says a modern British icon on top here. It says that. And the atomizer is quite nice and modern, and it's silver color. And here we go with atomizer. Very good atomizer. So Ben Sherman icon, and this is Eau de Perfume 100 ml. It came out 2020, I think, or 2021, maybe 2020, I think. So here we go. First sniff, first impression. Gorgeous. This is up my alley. Beauty. So the first thing that hits me is the spices. It's very spicy. A little bit of booziness. Ambery. Patchouli in there. The patchouli is quite big as well. Quite leathery. I feel something green leaf to it, like a tobacco leaf, but it's quite green as well. So it's like a fresh tobacco leaf. It's not a pipe tobacco leaf, okay? It's a fresh and a spicy tobacco leaf. But what a smell. Absolutely gorgeous. For under £20, this is very surprising. I wasn't expecting to be this good. It is very good. It smells like niche. Yes. It smells 10 times what I paid for it. Under £20, 100 ml Eau de Perfume. And it smells gorgeous. It's basically up my alley. I love it. It's a bit herbal as well. It's got a little bit of citrus in the beginning, but it's not much. It's just a tinge of it, okay? A tinge of citrus. Yeah, spice is the first thing. Second thing is the amber. Third thing is the no. Second thing is the booze. Third thing is the amber. Fourth thing is the leather, and the fifth thing is the tobacco, and also herbal and a little bit of greenness to it as well. But what a beauty! That is an absolute gorgeousness. Yes, yes, yes. I give it a big thumb. Although this is up my alley, it might not be, you know, everybody's taste. So it is quite on classic side, yes, but it's not. It's quite modern as well because of that amber, giving it quite a modern feel to it. Although the sweetness is minimal here, it's not much sweet. It's got some sweetness, but between 0 to 10 right now for first impression, the sweetness is around 3 to 4. So as you can tell, it's not that sweet. 10 is the sweetest. This is about 3 to 4. It reminds me of something. What is that? It reminds me of something very, very good. Something quite niche, okay? But I can't put my finger on it right now, but it is an absolute beauty. Yes, yes, yes. This is, I would say it's a little bit on the mature side because it goes a little bit on the classic, and also the ingredients in here are in a way that gives in a very masculine classic feel. So that's why I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side. But if you like something, this kind of fragrances, it doesn't mean anything. So if you like it boozy, if you like it leathery, if you like it tobacco, if you like it green, if you like it spicy, if you like it herbal, this is beauty and absolutely gorgeous. Yes, yes, yes. Very, very masculine. This is the uber masculine and nothing like unisex or anything like that, or urban man, or what you call it, the modern unisex, modern. I can't remember the name now. But anyway, so this is not one of those modern fragrances that are giving you the feel of, you know, it could be anybody's unisex. No, this is very masculine, it's rugged, and it hits you in the face. Yes, very rugged, and the spices are gorgeous, especially for this time of year in the middle of winter. This is an absolute gorgeous. It gives me that smell of Christmas almost, because the spices are so pronounced. It gives me that Christmassy feel. Let me read you the ingredients. So the Perfume by Sherman Icon, and the ingredients. On top we got bergamot. Yes, I got a tinge of that, but not much. Green notes definitely there. Pink pepper, yes, 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 it's very spicy. Cardamom, again, yes, and clove. So that's the clove I'm getting. The clove is very big in here, so if you don't like clove, you have to be careful, because this one, the clove is one of the biggest. I would say clove is first, then cardamom, then pink pepper in terms of the prominence, in terms of being dominant. Okay, so clove first, and then cardamom, and then pink pepper. But what a beauty, that is a gorgeous. And then leather, tobacco, cedar, sandalwood, amber, patchouli. See, everything I mentioned is in here. Yes, tobacco, but tobacco is not pipe tobacco, it's not a sweet tobacco, it's not a honeyed tobacco. It is a fresh herbal tobacco. Okay, it's like a leafy tobacco. Obviously the sandalwood and the cedarwood making it very smooth and woody. It's very, very woody as well. Yes, and the patchouli and amber again giving it a little bit of earthiness, and also the body is there making it beautiful and warm. So this is a very warm, very inviting, very best season for it. Definitely this is a cooler weather and winter, and maybe even you know, autumn to some extent. Yes, but this is an absolute beauty. So I'll let you know in the next video the development, the longevity, and good things like this. But for first impression, 2 thumbs up. This is up my alley. I absolutely love it to bits. Yes, yes, yes. Okay guys, if you like what I do, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, I I have my own fragrances. Yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make them myself. Nobody else is involved. No manufacturer, no perfumer, no nothing. Everything's done by me. So you're getting a handmade perfume from myself, and they are out of this world. They are very unique, very artistic, super beast mode, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to order them. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.